3 hacks to use for Instagram in 2019. So before we get into these 3 hacks that you can use on Instagram, I just want to show you the type of results you can expect to see if you start utilizing all 3 of these hacks. So you're going to have an increased level of engagement on your posts. You're going to have an increased reach, which means that your posts are going to be shown to people that haven't seen your content before and aren't following you, and you're going to pick up your following. So there should be some posts popping up right now to just show you some analytics, some insights when you start implementing these 3 hacks. So hack number 1 is to actually increase your reach outside of Instagram. And what I mean by that, and this is something you probably haven't been told before, is that when you can get new people over to your account that you haven't pulled from inside the platform, you're going to get new engagement on your posts that help trigger the Explore page algorithm so your content gets out to new people. So what I mean by this is look at anywhere else where you have any level, even if it's the smallest bit, of engagement or of followers of people anywhere. So I'm talking if you have people that follow you on Twitter, if you have friends on Facebook, even if it's just 50 or 100 or 300 people, if you have an email list, if you have a blog, anywhere else, even text messages or people that are in your phone, anywhere else where you have people, if you can simply do a giveaway or some sort of small promotion where it's like, hey guys, I just started a new Instagram account, please go follow me. I'm going to be selecting a winner to win a Starbucks gift card or a gift card to your favorite restaurant or a Netflix credit, anything like that at all. Something so small, stupid, simple to entice people. They want to follow you now. You can't get people to do something that you want to do without appealing to something that they have an interest in. So get them interested, all right? Hey, yeah, I started a new account. Please go follow it because I'm going to be picking a winner for a Netflix giveaway, for an iTunes gift card, for an Amazon gift card, for a new iPad. Like, it could be $5, it could be $50. It wouldn't even necessarily have to be monetary. Maybe it's a gift card that you've had or something like that. So now you go tell people on Facebook, you go shoot messages on Twitter, you tell people on Twitter, you make a post, you hit up your email list, you make a publish on your blog, okay? And now all of a sudden you've got new people that are coming over to your Instagram. Last time we did this, here's what happened. And so as you can see on that account, there were like 2,000 new followers overnight. And I don't have millions of people all over the place and hundreds of thousands of YouTube subscribers and hundreds of thousands of people on my email list. This was just a few little areas that I have a little bit of an audience that said, hey, start a new account, come follow it. Posting some awesome stuff, go take a look, drop a comment, drop a like, and make sure to follow the new account. And now with hack number 1, bringing engagement from outside Instagram, you've got 2,000 new followers on this account in less than a couple days. And real quick, guys, if you're liking this so far, if you found value, just go ahead and drop a comment below and let me know that you love this video and like what you're seeing so far. Hack number 2 is to use your closed friends list. Now, closed friends list should be popping up right here, right now. What this is basically a group that you can create on Instagram that allows only people that you select to see content that you message inside this. So anytime that you create a post, what you can do is you can organize 10, 20, 30, 100, 5,000 people. It really doesn't matter, into your closed friends group. And so every time you make a post, you share the post into the closed friends group and you tell them to like and comment on it. So what this is going to do is it will notify them that you've just made a new post, and now they're going to go over and like and comment on it. You ask them to like and comment on it, and now as soon as you post, you have all this new engagement coming in. People are liking, people are commenting on it, people in the close friends group are tagging friends. So you essentially use this as an engagement group. We call it an engagement group. You just add a whole bunch of people to your close friends group, and anytime you make a post, you hit that little send icon. There should be a send icon popping up right now that you see on your post. You send it to your closed friends group. And what that's going to do is you'll start to get new engagement in the form of likes, comments, and saves. All the things that Instagram looks for on a brand new post. It will tell Instagram, hey, this post is starting to get engagement. Hey, it's popular. Let's show it to some new people. And so all of a sudden, that post ends up going on the Explore page. The Explore page is like being on page 1 of Google all the time. So your content is out there. It will get put in front of new people that have never seen that post before. And all of a sudden, when they see it on the Explore page, they decide that they like it. They make a decision about it. They go over, they comment on your profile, they follow you, they drop comments, they tag friends, they save your pictures. And now you've got hundreds, if not thousands of new followers in one single day. Here's an example of the last time we did this and how many followers I was able to pick up doing this. Now, if you've never heard this before, if you really love what you're seeing, hey, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and tap that notification bell so you can stay updated on all the new content that I publish out here and all the new tips and tricks pertaining to Instagram, because I share a lot. I've grown millions of followers, helped thousands of people do this, and I want to be able to help you too. So now let's get into hack number 3 to use on Instagram in 2019. And hack number 3 is utilizing IGTV. Now, as I'm making this video right now, blind as a bat because there's so much snow out here and I'm squinting, I'm a ginger, I can't see really well, and I tan like a lobster, okay? I will tell you that Instagram TV came out back in August, so it's been out for several months now. However, there's not that many people using it. And the opportunity in that is there's less competition. So people are actually viewing, Instagram users are going over and they're watching IGTV, but not as many creators are publishing content out there. Instagram created IGTV because they're pushing more video content. They want to see more video content on Instagram. So they made a standalone app that also pairs with your Instagram app so people could start publishing more video content on Instagram. However, not that many creators are using it. So if you can put your content out there, you have less competition, you're going to have a greater reach, and videos are going to go more viral. Here's an example of a video that I posted on IGTV. It wasn't even that special, and it got 66,000 views. Now, IGTV allows you to post anywhere between 1 minute and 10-minute videos. And so there's also a big opportunity in here. If you can't get out enough value, or if you have something that you want to talk about or share, or a really cool video that you want to repost, and it's longer than a minute, obviously you can't use the regular feed because you're capped at 59 seconds. And on stories, you're capped at 15 seconds. So now with IGTV, you can post up to 10-minute videos, and that's really good, especially if you're an entrepreneur or you're a blogger or you're somebody that has value or something to teach, and you want to be able to relay a thought or a point that takes longer than 59 seconds, you can now utilize IGTV for that. And people can view that, they can like it, they can comment on it, they can share it, and when they click that video, they're able to actually see your Instagram account, go over there, and choose to follow it. So these are 3 hacks that you can start utilizing in 2019 to boost your Instagram. And it doesn't matter if you're a blogger, it doesn't matter if you're into cosmetics, if you're reposting, if you're a meme account. These strategies work for anybody in any niche, regardless of when you've started the account, how new you are, how long you've been doing it. Do these 3 hacks in 2019 and you're going to be able to see massive success. That's what I have for you guys. Please make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. If you're brand new to the channel, definitely make sure to tap that notification bell, and I will see you next time.